Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Negative Indices worksheet. So this is a worksheet with 8 examples on negative indices. If you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. Meanwhile, I'll leave this slide on for say a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like. So after that time, I will move to the next slide, which gives you the answers, and you can see how you went. Okay, I'll move on to the answer sheet now. So here are the answers, and you can see how you went. I'll leave this on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.